Hey guys, this is Achintya Gomath. I bring to you another video. In this video, we'll be talking about Smart India Hackathon. This is the official hackathon of Government of India. This is a very famous hackathon in which you must participate because even if you don't win, it will get you a lot of recognition when you apply for jobs and internships. So make sure you watch the video till the end. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can apply, what are the skills you need in order to participate in it, what are the different stages, what are the criteria, how to form a team, and what are the tips and tricks you can apply in order to maximize your chances to win. So let me just tell you in 30 seconds what is this hackathons and how it works. So in this hackathons you will be given lot of problem statements by the government. So government have lot of departments like water department, road department, ministry of external affairs. So what they will do, they will give you some problem statements like as you can see on the screen. You can click on central ministry here, link I will give you of the Smart India Hackathon website. So they will ask you to create a software to track the traffic, like they will ask you to like education ministry can give you a ask you to solve a solution tracking how many students are watching their lectures on their education portal. So these kind of solutions you have to create. So you don't have to create whole solution, you just have to create a prototype using software. So both software and hardware are given here, but we'll be talking only software in this video. So there are multiple stages, so let's understand the whole process flow, how this Smart India Hackathons works. So what is the eligibility criteria? Any year student can participate, first year, second year, third year can participate. This year it's also open for school students, so 6 to 12 students can also participate. So if you have any little chota bhai choti behan, so you can also tell them that they can also participate, but there is a catch. You cannot go and directly apply to Smart India Hackathon, you can only apply via your college. So in the first round there will be internal hackathon conducted in your college as well as your school. So we will be only talking about college, same process for school. So internal hackathon will be conducted in your own college where you have to make a team, how many members, what type of criteria will be there, same year, same branch, etc. That you have to get information from your college. Nothing is mentioned on the website here, those details must be given to the coordinators of a college. So top 10 teams of that internal hackathon will be taken to the next round. There will be 5 more teams which will be waitlisted from the internal hackathon. So top 10 teams from each college will go to the next round of SIH. Okay, after that the team leaders of the selected team of each college has to register on the SIH portal and they will be further evaluated. You have to further develop your prototype that you have created, whatever solution you have accepted, and then there will be result analysis and result publication. Also you will be assigned a mentor from your college, that will be some faculty, some HOD, some person who is knowledgeable in that domain that you have selected. So that person will guide you after you win the internal hackathon, and till the time you don't win the until you don't get the final result. So this is the simple process. Last date to register for it is 31st of March. If your college hasn't registered for it right now, then you can just go ask your HOD or dean to register for it. If they have already registered for it, then you can get more details about it, like when the internal hackathon is happening, what is the process, how to create a team. Then you can go ahead and contact the HOD, the dean, the concerned authority of your college. You cannot go and directly register. Let me show you. There is no option for student on the website. There is only super admin, review committee, proposer, problem statement creators, college POC, schools POC. This is for the coordinators of your college to log in. So students cannot register on the SIH website. You can only come via your college website, college only. Okay, so this is about details. Let's talk about what technology you need to know, what skills you need to know. Mostly you need to create a website. 70 to 80 problems software will be using. You have to create a website. Rest problems will be related to mobile. So if you know web development, that will be great, and that includes front end as well as back end. So you need, if you are learning MERN stack, that will be great. Okay, and apart from this, if you are learning, if you are targeting mobile audience, then Android, that will be great, Java, Kotlin. But I will recommend you to make into some hybrid development using React Native or any other Flutter, etc. That will be great because it's much easier to create an app in that, because it if you start making in Java and Kotlin, it will take you a lot of time to learn those skills as well. So React Native will be much more preferred, but for web development, MERN will be very much helpful. Apart from that, it will also depend on what kind of problem statement you have selected, but largely web and mobile will be helpful. Now we come to the problem statement. Let's discuss what are the problem statement, how you can select which you have to attempt. You can see there are different themes here, which theme you want to go. First is the broad categories. You can select blockchain, cybersecurity, renewable energy, smart automation, travel and tourism, whichever sector you want to go. Let's say we see travel and tourism, so it will show us all the problem statements related to it. Second option is given to us whether we want to go for software and hardware. We click for software. Okay. Next category is organization. It is the name of all the organization available to us. We are not selecting anyone. And then it's a category: state government, central ministry, industry personnel, student innovation. Don't go for that. Just look at all the possible options available here, and you will see we have selected travel and tourism. Definitely Ministry of Tourism will be there, so you can just click on this and understand the problem. What is the problem statement? Initiative that can contribute toward net zero emission in tourism sector. And then you can read the problem statement thoroughly. Develop proof of concept to measure carbon footprint, minimizing the effect of negative implications. काफ़ी serious से लग रहे हैं मुझे. To develop mobile software for guiding the tourists. So this can be interesting. You can definitely look for this. So you have to create a mobile application that will guide the tourists who are going to government of Uttarakhand. Okay, so these are the software. You can understand whatever interests you, your team members, you can go for that. You can check out smart education. This must be interesting. In the software category, let's see what kind of problem statements are listed here. There are more than 457 software problem statements. Also, don't go after the famous one because many students must be going after it. Okay, let's look at whether the AICTE has given bulk email and SMS service, so they want to create a bulk SMS and email service. So these are the kind of problems you have to solve. This is very simple. Okay, I think many students must be applying for it. Lack of information about academic activities in single platform. This also seems a very simple solution to me. Let's look at more statements here. Department of Empowerment, so you can enabling communication, you can check out this. Prediction of admission and jobs in engineering, you can check out this. Okay, so this is how you have to explore. This is bringing power of AI ML to aid of teacher in classroom. You can definitely check out this if you want to deploy something AI and ML. Now we talk about some tips and tricks how you can go for it. So one thing, like, they are not expecting you to create a very heavy solution like so much technology, so much backend, so much API, everything, etc. They are just want you to create a proof of statement. Like, you can just create a basic prototype that can deliver, that can demonstrate that this problem can be solved. So don't think of some too tech heavy solutions. Okay, so go easy on tech part. Just try to give a prototype. So this is the first part. Second part, focus more on presentation. Okay, so presentation is key to your success. So many students think if they are very good technology, very good code, they are going to win. Okay, so nothing like that. It's all about your presentation. In hackathons, in any hackathon, 60 to 70% weightage will go to your presentation, even in your internal hackathon and in further evaluations of SIH. Okay, second part is done. Third is your team selection. Team selection is very much key. Don't just make a team of all your friends. Just look for complementary skills. Like, if you are good in development, in backend, find someone who is good in front end. If you are good in speaking, find someone who is good in development. So try to balance your skill. Don't just make a team of all your best friends. Fourth, choose your topic problem statement very wisely. Take time, take research, go through all the problems, and also try to understand what problems your friends are also taking, because first step is to win in your internal hackathons. Okay, and also the winners of this hackathon will be announced problem statement wise. Like, winners will be announced for every problem. There will be finalists for every individual problem. So there will be, for software, 457 winners. So try to find out a problem for which not many students will apply. So that's your intuitive brain, like how you can apply and find out the problem that will maximize your chances of winning. So that's the smart brain that you need to have. So those are the things that you can apply. If you have any other query, prize money, they haven't announced yet. I checked the FAQ section, it was written that it is not yet announced. Okay, but it will be great. Don't just go for the prize money यार, मतलब इसकी वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा है. If you just attend here, let me show you the FAQs where it is gone. prize money hasn't been announced, but it will be good. Don't go for the money. Last date to register is 31st of March, but just check out in your college when the internal hackathon is happening and prepare accordingly. The next round details is not yet announced in the website. Whenever it will be announced, we will let you know in our WhatsApp group. Please join our WhatsApp group if you want to stay updated about this hackathons or any other opportunity like this in the future. It is open for first year, second year, third year, final year, any year students. If you are not that good in development, Android, etc., you can also participate. You can learn these kind of skills on the go as well. Okay, so I hope I have covered everything. If anything is left, please let me know in the comment section. You can contact me on my WhatsApp as well, and I will definitely try to reply to you whenever I get